how to buy SLT token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, as you can see. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. Now let's go and buy this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now let's go and buy this token. This token is on XRPL. Now the best way to buy this token is to go in on the first ledger. Yes, now click on trade, as you can see. Now to be able to expand this window, just click on this and it will open a new window, as you can see. So we are now on the first ledger.net. Now it's easy. Now connect your wallet the first ledger wallet. Now what you need to do here, so first of all, click on buy from here and now edit your slippage now by increasing it or decreasing it. So you have the choice for that. Now here, enter how much of XRP you want to buy, and this is how much you receive. Sorry guys, so you will receive 91,000 of this token. Now it's easy. Now before that, sorry guys, make sure to read all of these token details from here. If you are ready to go, you can now click on buy SLT and you will be able to buy it on your wallet. Now this is how to buy SLT token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.